So we just finished there with the export of the PDF. Quickly before we move on, let's just talk about some logo positioning and sizing. So we did say about the left-hand breast being around 100mm. So other positions to consider that people will ask you is right-hand breast, okay, which is this side. Then you've got left-hand sleeve, which goes down the center of the sleeve, not on the front here as it looks like here. So when you do actually do a mock-up for this, you can either have a side profile of a t-shirt, or sometimes it's quite useful to have something like a rectangle there and colour it the same colour as the sleeve would be, like so, and you could say, oh yeah, I want also I want a Coca-Cola logo on the sleeve there, like that. So you can bring that across, you can duplicate it, you can copy and paste it, you can drag it and click down with the right mouse button as you move it, and that will also make a copy. So that gives you like another sort of area, and underneath you can click on your text tool and you could say click the text tool, bring it over and click down once, don't drag a box, and you could type in 100mm wide, like so. Once you get the sizing arrows come up in the corners there, you can pull that back down and you could position that quite nicely just underneath. There you go. Just so it signifies the size of that logo. You could also put under that, in this particular case, right hand sleeve, or in the industry we say RHS, so right hand sleeve. Again, centralize that to make it look nice using your text tool on the menu bar at the top here. Click left, right, center, whatever you like. Okay, and again you could copy that, so I could drag it across with the left mouse. When I get where I want it to be, I can click once with the right mouse button, and that again makes a clone or a copy. And this one under here, obviously I'm just going to put LHB. If you wanted to put some lines in to signify the size of that, then that's absolutely fine as well. If you want me to show you how to do that, you could use a little rectangle tool. If you want to do something like quick and thin, just drop that in. Just to give you some sort of sizing, duplicate that and write that over there. It just would give you, it's a very, very quick way of doing it. Now, if I wanted to centralize that so they're both in the same position, see one's lower than the other, then what I would do is click once on one of those lines, once on the other line, so I've got them both together, holding that shift key down when I did that. So let's do it again. Click once on one line, hold the shift key down, click on the other line and press press E to centralize it. So basically E centralizes these two lines through the center point. There again, look, that particular logo, you couldn't send that out because that's out of position, but just bang that in there so it looks like it's supposed to be in the right place. Again, we could duplicate that whole thing. But if I was going to put it on the rear, the easiest way really would be to get rid of that. So highlight a box around it, press delete. Highlight a box round this logo, press Control D or move with the mouse and then click down with the right button. Or Control C, copy and paste. Let's put that in the position it should have been, which is there. And put whatever the size is you're going to actually print it, so 250mm wide, and then change that to rear, like so. So that would give, you know, the customer knows exactly what size they're going to get for the logos. So other positions that you may get asked for would be yoke, which is here. Some people like a smaller logo there. You may also get asked to print them on the shoulders, around the hem. Sometimes at the back there you will get a website. Someone wants to put a website there, and sometimes even down on the front here, like that. So you get lots of different options. So let's just go through those again. We've got left hand sleeve, left hand breast, right hand sleeve, yoke. Those three are normally around the same size. Okay, so they're normally around the 100mm mark. But whatever sort of suits. Rear. You may also have chest. So let's move this one out over here. Let's get rid of that actually. Let's go bring that across in the front. So you may well have a front chest logo. Doing capitals, like so. So you can see quite easily, you get lots and lots of different options. You can print wherever you want. You can have it running up and down the side, whatever. Get as creative as you fancy. And so yeah, that's that one. So next we're going to move on and let's find another logo, a little bit more complicated, and let's increase and build on the skills that we've got already.